Hey guys, welcome back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Lake Properties, bringing another brand new listing in Park Palms, 200 Lakecrest Lane. Come on in. The interior of the property is just under 1,200 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You have fresh paint, new stainless steel appliances, new window coverings, plus it comes furnished per seller's inventory. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing at 200 Lakecrest Lane. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Lake Properties. For more information, contact me direct.